The Loop Cut tool allows you to create cuts across faces or face loops. You can use it to create scenes like this one. Let's start with this cylinder. Press Ctrl and R to activate the Loop Cut tool. It will create a preview cut perpendicular to the edge you are hovering over. Click once, and you can slide the edge where you want it to go. Click again to finalize the placement, or you can right-click and snap the cut to the center of the faces. Watch how you can reshape this cylinder by adding loop cuts. You can add multiple cuts by pressing Ctrl R, then scroll up and down to adjust how many cuts you want to make. After you make a cut, the Loop Cut menu appears in the bottom left of the viewport. You can adjust the number of cuts, how smooth the geometry is, you can change the fall off of that smoothness, and the factor adjusts the placement of the cuts. Loop cuts are incredibly useful for creating new geometry. Try it out and have fun!